This is a short update video for those of you who follow this channel and my ongoing story. It was almost 2 months ago that I posted this YouTube video, Destruction Draweth Nigh, which began with this introductory sentence.
Hello, I'm Herrick Kimball reporting to you from the scene of future destruction.
In that video, I gave a little tour of the 50-year-old manufactured home that my wife and I have owned for the past 13 years. A couple of our kids lived there when they were first married, but it has been unoccupied for a long time. In recent years, we used it for storage, and it was a workshop area for me. If you've watched my videos, you've seen several of them in the house and on the back porch. My old Craftsman table saw was the last thing to be moved out of the house before demolition. At the very end of this video, I'll show you where the saw is now. So we hired a guy with an excavator to tear it down. It took him a couple weeks to get the job done because there were delays with the dumpsters and he was doing the job part-time. But it's now done and he did a decent job, and that's a good thing. I seriously considered taking the house apart myself to save money, but in retrospect, I'm glad I didn't. I'm feeling my age these days, and that demolition project probably would have been the end of me. So now it's just a basement, and my youngest son can take it from here. He and his wife are planning to get a new manufactured home and put it on the existing foundation, hopefully this year, if the building inspector will allow it. I don't know why he wouldn't. It's still solid. Some of the block cores are filled with concrete and re-rod, and the rest are filled with beer cans. So the deed is done. The house is gone. I'm poorer by thousands of dollars after paying for the demolition, but I have no regrets. Good riddance. I don't have to pay any more property taxes on a crummy house that no one lives in and the assessor thought was worth a small fortune. My only disappointment is that now my old table saw is once again an outdoor table saw, as this picture shows. Outdoor table saws are a thing, you know. I even made a video about it. Link in description. Hey, thanks for watching and for following my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.